Welcome to Bullard Farms, everybody. Today I'm going to dig some potatoes. First step is to bush hog the bushes with that 175 Massey Ferguson. The second step is to plow them up with the middle buster on that Ford tractor. And then comes the manual labor. You got to pick them up and put them in some crates. And you can't see behind the camera, but I've got our hog trailer sitting there with some bread trays in it. And that's what we're finally going to store the potatoes in, what we can fit anyway. I got to run up to the house and wash them because they still got some rotten stuff on it from last year where we had some potatoes rot. Yep, before we get to it, if you saw my video about Super Clean, I did a review on a product called Super Clean. It's a very good degreaser. They reached out to me again, said they'd like to do a giveaway on the channel. So if you look down in the description below, there will be a link to fill out a Google form with some information so I can contact you, let you know you won, and then so Super Clean can send you the prize if you win. They'll send out a bottle of their original Super Clean degreaser and then a bottle of the Super Clean in an aerosol can. If you've not already seen the video that I did of the review of that stuff, I'll link it in the description too. It's some pretty good stuff. You probably want to enter the contest. I'm going to run the contest for 2 weeks, and then I'll select the winner, and if you win, I'll contact you, and then Super Clean will send you your prize. So let's get to digging some potatoes. Okay, well, I'm going to start down here. There's 2 rows here that we dug pretty good on by hand, and then that first row I went back over with the tractor the other day to see how it was going to do. So I'm going to get the bush hog and bush hog those the last part of those first 2 rows there, and then dig them and pick them up. All right, well that got them pretty good. I just gotta run, get the tractor or the lawnmower and trailer and start picking them up. And unfortunately, it's starting to rain, so hopefully it won't rain too much. Alright, well I'm going to plow up this second row. I went up there and rinsed those trays off. I don't think I'm going to have to brush them or anything. I think rinsing them would be good enough. And I wet myself all over doing that. But the rain's supposed to be moving out of here. It just sprinkled a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and plow this row up. Go back over where we dug with the shovel, just to make sure we didn't miss a whole lot. And if we did miss any, pick them up. And then pick up the rest of the row and keep on going from there. Alright, so I don't think too many were missed. There's a few there. And I sort of got off the row a little bit in a couple of spots, but it'll be alright. So I'm going to start picking them up. I'm not going to video much picking up because I mean it's just me picking them up. But alright, time to bush hog another row. Okay, well I got that one bush hogged.